All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to class today. We're going to be doing another NASA spinoff activity, and today you're going to research specific NASA spinoffs and how they went to inventions and products that you guys might use every day. And so let's start with the directions, and that's what this video is for. So right now you should be logged on to Schoology with a paper in your hand. The paper should look probably like this, right? You should see a paper that looks like a gallery wallpaper, and it has stations at it. So let's just go for the first one for example. Here's station 6, and you write your name of the station there or what the product is called, and you fill out these questions. And the answer to these questions are found in the link on Schoology called the NASA Spinoff Database. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to take this one for example. Imagine I walked up to this station and I saw UV blocking shirts. You may have seen shirts like this. I would type in this word under the database, ultraviolet blocking fabric. So I would type in that word to the NASA spinoff, and I would type it in right here, NASA spinoff database, and it's called ultraviolet blocking light. Put it in, hit search, and you'll see a bunch of articles come up. Notice I have issues from 2016 all the way back to 1978, meaning this is an invention that's been around a while. It was first used in an article called The Roof for the Lions House. Now, I remember this place. The Detroit Lions are a football team, and they used to play in a place called the Silverdome. And if I read about it, it gives me the origin where that technology was used in the Apollo spacesuits. It gives me a synopsis right here about the actual full article that's listed here in blue. It says this idea originated with the Apollo spacesuits. The original name was called the TFE coated beta fiberglass, which is virtually impervious to the effects of weather and sunlight and won't stretch or shrink, mildew, and rot, thus has an exceptional longevity. It's also very strong, lightweight, flame resistant, and requires no periodic cleaning. It's also 30 to 40% cheaper than conventional roofing. So I would take the information I learned and I would put it back on my handout. I would fill in the NASA technology or product name. So I just told you what it was called in that synopsis. I would told its intended use of how it would be used in NASA and the spacesuits, which might require some extra research. You might have to Google it. Use your group as a resource. Maybe one person takes each one of these questions and you share. So I have to find NASA's original use for the product. How is this used in a NASA spacesuit? And then I would talk about who partnered with NASA to produce the spinoff. And you saw there was a lot of articles that partnered with NASA. We talked about one that made the roofing for the Detroit Lions. And then what are some products that are produced with the original NASA? You can find a number of products. And then which of these spinoff products have you used? Could you imagine life without it? So all these questions should be answered for each station. Each station is about 5 to 7 minutes long. You really have to get to work right when you get down to the station with you and the group. Have a great class, guys. Shouldn't be any problems today, and you guys are awesome. Thanks.